Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day video from Florida on the Weight Watcher Personal Points Plan. I've lost over 100 pounds on the Weight Watcher program. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you along on in my day. I'm going to share what I eat in a day on the WW Personal Points Plan. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, come on along and share the day with me. For breakfast, I am making some sausage gravy over toast. I'm going to spray this pan, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of turkey sausage crumbles, and then I'll heat that through. Then I'm going to make 2 pieces of Sara Lee Delightful Toast. Once the sausage is warmed through after a couple minutes, because it is cooked, I will add in a tablespoon of flour. I'll mix the sausage up so it coats that. Then I add a 1/4 cup of milk, and I will stir that up until it thickens. Then I'm going to add some pepper to the sausage gravy and my eggs. Then I'm going to thin this out a little bit with some extra milk, and add some salt. And there's my breakfast. It's going to be 5 points for the sausage gravy, 2 points for the toast, 2 eggs are 0, and then I'm gonna also have an iced coffee with some Quest Premier some Quest protein drink in the caramel flavor, salted caramel. So that is going to be my breakfast. It might not look appetizing, but it's really good. This is what I use in my iced coffee sometimes. I'm using the Stok coffee, and it's using the Quest salted caramel, and I only use about 1/4 of this, but I count it as 1 point for the iced coffee. And it tastes like a Frappuccino from Starbucks, so I like to have that once in a while. It's not as easy to find. After breakfast, we are at the racetrack, Gulfstream Racetrack. It's a big race track down in Hollywood, Florida.
That was a nice ride from Louis Saez.
So my lunch today is just a little bit of a snack plate since I had a bigger breakfast. I have a pack on unsweetened cinnamon applesauce for 0 points, an apple, a piece of Laughing Cow cheese for 1 point, 4 turkey pepperoni slices for 0 points, and 1 Simms turkey sausage stick for 1 point. So that is going to be a 2-point lunch, and it'll be pretty filling and an easy way to just kind of snack instead of having a full meal. I'm making steak in the Ninja Foodie Grill for dinner. For a 0-point side, I'm going to saute some onions. I sprayed the pan with some olive oil spray, and I'm sauteing some onions. Then I'm going to add a heaping teaspoon of minced garlic. And then I'm going to add the zucchini that I chopped up. And I will saute that until it softens up. And then I will add some Italian seasoning to it. This is my dinner for tonight. I have 4 points for the steak, 5 points for the fries, which I didn't fry, but I'm counting them for 5 points because they were frozen. And the corn is 1 point, 0 points for the zucchini. So that is going to be my dinner, and it is 10 points. For an after dinner snack, I'm having 11 chocolate animal crackers for 3 points. Like a little crunchy, chocolatey snack, dessert. Whatever. For a snack tonight, I'm going to have 16 barbecued baked chips by Lay's. These are 4 points for 16 chips. And the rest of a Diet Pepsi. So that is going to be my snack. And that'll be it for the night. So today I have been getting ready to go on my cruise. Did some little running around at the store. Hurt my foot at the track. I was at the racetrack and went shopping, getting some stuff done, going on the cruise in a couple days. And so that's going to be it for my What I Eat in a Day video on the WW Personal Points Plan. And I ended the day using 28 points. If you like this kind of video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.